Tired of eyeballing it? Let's perfectly divide a circle in half in Adobe Illustrator, ensuring clean lines and symmetrical designs every time. First, grab the ellipse tool from the toolbar, or press Alt hold down Shift while dragging to create a perfect circle. This constrains the proportions and gives us a true circle. Next, select the Line Segment tool, shortcut \Now, hover over the center of the circle. Illustrator will show a center indicator when you're in the right spot. Click and drag vertically, holding down Shift to ensure a perfectly straight line. Drag until the line extends slightly beyond the top and bottom of the circle. This guarantees a clean cut. Now, select both the circle and the line using the Selection tool. Go to the Window menu and open the Pathfinder panel. If you can't see it, it might be under the Object menu, then Pathfinder. In the Pathfinder panel, click the Divide button. This will cut the circle along the line. Now, right-click on the divided circle and choose Ungroup. This separates the two halves into independent shapes. And there you have it, a perfectly divided circle. You can now manipulate each half separately, change their colors, or use them as building blocks for more complex designs. Practice this technique to master precise geometric creation in Illustrator. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Illustrator tips and tricks.